Hey folks, Kevin Hunter here from the Homework Guy Show, where we help car buyers like you stay informed and avoid getting ripped off. You asked for it and we delivered. We created the most powerful tool in your car buying arsenal, our 100% free car buyer's checklist. This checklist walks you do-it-yourself car buyers through the entire car buying process. What to ask, what to say, what to avoid before you ever sign anything. So why did we make this free? Because we believe everyone deserves a fair deal, and dealers already have enough tricks up their sleeves. We all know they do. Too many people are going into dealerships unprepared, leaving with bad financing, overpriced add-ons, and contracts they never fully read. Not anymore. You can download this checklist right here at thehomeworkguy.com. It's right there on the homepage. No sign up, no catch. Just print it out or pull it up on your phone before you head to the dealer lot. Whatever you do, never go to a car dealership without this printout in your hand. If you do, you'll be sorry. Dealerships count on you not asking the right questions. But with this checklist in hand, you have the confidence to push back, slow down, and take control of your deal. So what are you waiting for? As soon as this show is done, head to thehomeworkguy.com right now and grab your free copy of the Car Buyer's Checklist. The bright red button for it is right there on the homepage, because when you do your homework, you don't get screwed. Download now at thehomeworkguy.com. It's totally free.